this video, I'm showing you the best app used for creating YouTube thumbnails. For that, what you need to do is just you have to search over here. I okay, just click it, and you can see over here the app PixArt. Just click over here, and PixArt photo editor, PixArt video and collage maker, PixArt photograph editor choice. Okay, and the first thing I want to say you is it contains ads and offers in-game app purchase. You can use this app is compatible with all of your device. That's great, guys. Okay, PixArt is the best all-in-one photo and video editor on mobile. Okay, you can also edit your video also. Okay, photo editor, dry hot filters for picture. You can use this for thumbnail, axis, background erase also you can do. Okay, remove object and amazing photo retouch. Okay, you can also edit a video. Okay, trim video or use smart video merger. Okay, collage maker to create a amazing photo collage using all your favorite picture. Okay, drawing tool also is there, and you can also make different type of thumbnail for gaming also. Let's see. Okay, by this, guys, there will be different tool you can use, and you can just see over here there is tool effect you can use for just creating thumbnail, and there are different icons. You need to just understand how to use that. After that it will be perfect. Okay, and the download rating is also very much nice. The download rating is 500 million plus download, and the rating is 4.2 rating, and people are giving too much rating over here. Some are giving 2 star, some 5 star. Okay, and you can use this app. This app is very much nice, guys. And how to use these, guys, I have already told you. There will be different types of icon. You just need to understand how to use that. There will be tool icon also. You can see over here. From here you can do blur